Okay, everyone. So now let's talk about what a permutation is. So a permutation is now going to be an arrangement of objects in which order does matter. So with a permutation, if you see the word in order in that scenario, you're automatically going to know it's a permutation. If it talks about first place, second place, third place, obviously because you're being placed, order would matter. If you're talking about job titles, order would matter. So let's do a couple of examples. So Mr. Whitehurst flipped over his desk in rage. All of his files got mixed up. You are his student assistant, and it is your job to organize the filing cabinet in alphabetical order. So in this scenario, because they're in alphabetical order, it's going to be a permutation. That means order matters alphabetically. So if you see order or alphabetical, any of those words are going to give you the hint that it's a permutation because it's implying that order does matter. In the next example, how many ways can you choose a president, vice president, and secretary from the class of 2024? There are 40 students in the club, but only 12 showed up to the meeting. You must be at the meeting to hold a position. So in this one, to identify if it's a permutation or a combination, the key identifying words are president, vice president, and secretary. Order would matter here because there's a huge difference in job titles between a president, vice president, and a secretary. Okay, in our last example, Miss Ryan gave 6 homework assignments over the weekend, and each are built upon each other. How many ways can you complete your homework over the weekend? This one doesn't have the word alphabetical or order, but it's saying that the assignments are built upon each other, which is implying they have to be done in a certain order or you won't get the next one. You won't understand how to do the next homework assignment. So because they build upon each other, they must be in order, which again is a permutation because order matters.